Hi everyone, I wanted to show you today a stretch for the lower back and for the hips. This is a combination stretch. Always be mindful of how deep you're going. You may need a prop like a block or maybe a bolster, which is a big pillow, to support the knees or feet depending on what stretch you're in. Starting off with figure 4, you want to be laying flat on your back with the knees bent. You're going to place the right ankle over top of the left knee, allowing the hip to open, relaxing through the hips. You can put a little bit of pressure with the right hand to the right thigh to encourage the hip to open further. If this is not deep enough, you don't really feel a stretch through the hip, you can draw the left foot in closer to the glute. You can even slide a block underneath the foot or reach both hands behind the thigh, interlacing the fingers to pull the knee in tight. If you're going to do this, you want to make sure that the spine is flat to the ground and you feel this in the hip specifically. You can even draw the foot down even a tiny bit. If you have greater flexibility, you can even reach to the front of the shin. But if you'll notice, my tailbone is lifting up. My head kind of wants to come up a little bit. So this is too deep. You want to find a depth that's appropriate for you. Staying here for at least 5 breaths, nice and slow, control deep into the belly, letting go of tension on the exhale. When the body opens up, when you feel ready, letting the foot drop to the floor or keeping it on the block, and let the foot twist to the side. You're twisting through the hips, through the core, extending the arm out to the side. This may feel exactly what the hip needs. If you don't feel much, you can press into the thigh to open the hip, or you can pull the knee down. Finding whatever angle, whatever movement is appropriate for you. Never moving into pain. And slowly coming back up the center, moving to the opposite side. Draping the left ankle over top of the right knee. Now pressing into the thigh, drawing the foot in closer, maybe sliding the block underneath, or reaching behind the thigh. If the block is not deep enough, but reaching behind is too deep, you would use a strap. Strapping the strap around the back of the thigh and holding wherever the legs are. Slow and controlled breath, letting go of tension on the exhale. And when you're ready, releasing the leg, foot flat to the floor or onto the block, and let the legs twist over to the right. Maybe pressing the right hand to the right thigh. Maybe pulling the knee down. Left arm extended if you can. And slowly coming back up the center and across the legs. And repeating this on each side, maybe 2 or 3 times.